Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video I have about 20 amazing Home Depot tool deals to share with you. First up, we have the Milwaukee M12 cordless 750 lumen True View LED handheld spotlight. This is a brushless spotlight. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery. So normally $119 on sale for $69. You're almost cutting that in half. Plus getting the 2 amp hour battery. Of course, you're getting free shipping with that. And if we come down here and look at some of the features, we have up to 700 yard beam distance, 3 output modes. We have a high that's 750 lumens. You have the low 400 lumens and a strobe mode that is 800 lumens. So remember to give that strobe alert because I never can. I'm pretty invested in the Milwaukee M12 lineup, so this is one that I might, well, as the bride of Chucky would say, I might circle back to this and pick it up myself. Next up, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless cordless jigsaw with a free 5 amp hour battery. Was $2.99 down to $1.99. So it is a fuel tool and comes with my personal favorite battery, the 5 amp hour battery. It is the perfect in battery life and weight and size. Can be used on just about any tool. I love the 5 amp hour batteries. So nothing beats getting one for free. Here we have another Milwaukee deal, the Sawzall bi-metal wood and metal cutting reciprocating saw blade set. Normally $59 down to $24.97, but additionally it has a buy more, save more. So if you're in a situation where, hey, you need a lot of them, or you can give one to a friend, or kind of go in on something, you buy 3 and you get an additional 20% off. Now I wouldn't buy 6 for the 25 because that's just too much. But if you could get to 3 and an extra 20%, that is a really good deal. And as we see another Milwaukee deal, I'm really trying hard not to rant about DeWalt and their lack of promotions lately, because it's been absolutely damn pitiful, and like 75% of my tools, as far as power tools go, are DeWalt, and I'm sitting here looking at all these Milwaukee deals. Now I got M12 tools, but damn it, let's get some DeWalt deals, can we? Go looking around for DeWalt deals, there's nothing. Once in a while there's a little flash sale here or there. Ooh, get 10% off. No, give me some real ass promotions, will ya? You fire everyone in your marketing department or something? This is ridiculous. Okay, so I did get into a little bit of... Look, it's very annoying. Okay, so here, this deal. Milwaukee M12 Fuel stubby 3/8 inch brushless impact wrench with a 2 amp hour battery down to $199. Boy, the last thing I need is another impact wrench, but this one would be awesome. 250 foot-pounds, stubby, it's going to get into small places, 3/8 drive, I really like that. I've been ended up using my 3/8 drive impact wrench more than my 1/2 inch drive, and boy, that would be nice to have. 250 foot-pounds, that's actually pretty good, because it's also 3/8 drive. Anyway, you're also getting a free battery, and it's brushless. We like everything about that deal. Another Milwaukee deal. Notice I haven't said the word DeWalt in relation to, hey, here's a DeWalt deal. Assholes. Milwaukee 11-in-1 multi-tip screwdriver with square drive bits. This is a 2-pack, $15.97. It's going to be $8 a piece. You get the free shipping. You can always use another screwdriver. Got some oscillating tool blades. This is a 7-piece set by, you guessed it, Milwaukee. Normally $59.97 down to $27.97 for all your blades. Now here, we got a different jigsaw and a cheaper jigsaw. Got the Milwaukee M12 with a 2 amp hour battery. It's only $99. Now, there's a bunch of other options here, but none of them have the really amazing deal like this one. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless, cordless, 1/4 inch impact driver with a 3 amp hour battery. Was $249 down to $129. Now look at this. We go to the 5, $289. That's awful. We don't want that at all. 3 amp hour, 129. You're getting a fuel tool and a 3 amp hour battery. That is a really good deal. See, 25% more torque, up to 2,000 inch-pounds, 4-mode drive control, 5-year warranty. Here, someone's been listening to my complaints about warranties because they're trying to extend their warranties all of a sudden. Did you hear about that? You hear about that one, guys? Milwaukee M18 Gen 2, 4,000 lumens, Rover LED floodlight with the 5 amp hour battery, with the 2 amp hour battery, and the charger. It's going to be $199, was $399. So you're getting that starter kit with, again, my favorite battery, and then a smaller battery, and the Rover LED. If I was more invested in Milwaukee's M18 lineup, this is a light I'd love to just have, just to try out. It seems like it'd be pretty good, but it just doesn't go with my stuff. All I got is the pole saw and the weed whacker, and I don't need to go any farther. Unless DeWalt wants to keep playing games with not doing promotions. Then I might have to jump ship and be like, hey, look, you didn't give me any deals. It was kind of like a slap in the face, and Milwaukee was giving me those eyes. And I just said, you know what, Milwaukee? Let's go. Ryobi One Plus 18 volt 2 tool combo kit, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and 2 amp hour high performance batteries. So it was 218. You're getting all the way down to 129, but look at everything you're getting. You get the original kit that comes with the charger, the bag, 2 batteries, impact driver, and the drill. But then you're also getting 2 additional batteries. So they're all lower amp hour batteries, but you're getting 4. It's still 4 batteries. I was trying to give Ryobi a little bit of a chance. I have their LED light, which overall I do like that one, and it's dual power. You can plug in a cord or you can do a battery, which I like even better. But I tried their Mistine fan, and the damn thing broke like the second time I used it. So Ryobi's on thin ice with me, because a lot of people say, hey, they got a lot of specialty kind of off-the-wall weird tools, and they're really good, and I really like my Ryobi. Well, look, I've bought 2 Ryobi tools, and 50% of them broke. So maybe I just got the wrong ones. Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless cordless angle grinder paddle switch version. It's going to be $199 with a free 5 amp hour battery. Again with the 5s. They're just giving away 5s. Like, you get a 5, you get a 5, you get a 5. $199 for the Milwaukee angle grinder. So now here we have, and again, this is not a minty fresh deal. This one's actually kind of stale, but it's still sweet. You know what I mean? Stale but sweet. Ryobi One Plus 18 volt 4 amp hour battery 2-pack starter kit with the compact router. So this was part of the Ryobi Days deals, and what did that start in, like March or April or something? So these were supposed to end, or they were set to end in July, but some of them, as you can see, are ongoing, and this one's really good, getting 2 4 amp hour batteries plus the compact router, and you're only paying 99 bucks. I like it. So I got a couple more deals to show you, but everything that I showed you to this point is in a single link down below in the video description. That's one link in the same order that we looked at them here. There's actually a few more on that page that I didn't touch base with here, but that's there. Now, the next deals are going to be individual links down below. Hopefully that makes sense. So this is because they were previously posted on the website, but I don't think they were ever in a video. Ryobi One Plus HP 18 volt brushless cordless 5 tool combo kit, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, bag, $199. Look at all that. Now, the LED light is kind of like a throwaway cheapy thing that you just kind of add into a combo kit. It's kind of like the hex keys of the combo kit, but still useful. You just can't, give it a lot of value. But still, you're getting 5 tools, 2 batteries, charger, bag, $199. Pretty amazing deal there. Here, Milwaukee M18 brushless cordless string trimmer kit with a 6 amp hour battery. Now that's going to be $179 with the 6. This is not the fan that I bought. This is not the broken one. I mean, this one might break on you too, but that's not the one I was talking about earlier. The one I was talking about was a misting fan. This won't get you wet. Ryobi OnePlus 18-volt cordless hybrid 7.5-inch fan with 2 amp hour high performance battery. It's going to be $59. Not only do you get the tool, but you also get the battery. $59. I love a cordless fan, especially power goes out in the middle of the summer. You are going to be the most thankful human alive that you have a cordless fan. Ask me how I know. The first time the power went out in the summer, because power goes out a lot around here, all I had was a little USB fan that's like 3 inches around, and it was plugged into a little power supply, and I had it 2 inches from my face, and it was just strong enough to kind of blow the sweat into the air. I learned my lesson. That's when I learned my lesson. Not with the misting fan, the DeWalt 20-volt fan, which is amazing. And a big old battery lasts all night long. You wake up, cool breeze hitting you right in the face. Ryobi OnePlus 18-volt cordless combo kit. This is a 3-tool with 1.5 amp hour battery, but it's only $89. Where else do you get 3 tools and a battery and a charger for $89? It's crazy. Now this Ryobi is basically the exact same as the Heart at Walmart 20-volt version. I mean, they're the same company, so that makes sense. But it's got this little design here, so it can be slid on a 2x4. And if it's completely like the Heart one, this head should rotate to be able to give you different angles. And you're getting the jigsaw and a drill to go with it. Here we have the Milwaukee Bulldozer Bimetal Hole Saw Kit. This is a 7-piece kit right here. $29.88 for a special buy. Free shipping was $59.99 in the handy dandy case. It's about half price there. So there you go, guys. Those are the amazing deals at Home Depot. The first set of deals are all in a single link. The last 5 that I just showed you will be individual links in the description down below. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for an already subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.